Can I sell my Habitat for Humanity home? Yes, a Habitat for Humanity home can be sold. However, there are a few things to take into consideration before doing so. First and foremost, it is important to contact Habitat for Humanity International to let them know of your intention to sell. Habitat for Humanity will work with you on the process of selling your home. Secondly, Habitat for Humanity homes are typically sold at a discount in comparison to market value. This is because the homes are sold with the understanding that potentially the new owner will help build or improve another Habitat for Humanity home. Finally, the resale process for a Habitat for Humanity home can take some time. It is important to be patient and work with Habitat for Humanity to ensure that the sale goes as smoothly as possible. In summary, yes, you can sell your Habitat for Humanity home. However, there are some things you should keep in mind. First, you should consult with Habitat for Humanity to see if they have any restrictions on who can buy the home. Second, you should price the home at a fair market value, sometimes below market price. Finally, you should make sure the potential buyer is well aware of any requirements that come with the purchase of the home.